Mukta Devi here. Happy Love Day, happy Valentine's Day. I want to share a beautiful practice today, how we can come in to the heart, to reconnect and open up some flow. This is a very special time of the year. It's a reminder that love and compassion starts from within. So pouring love on ourselves begins with identifying what brings us joy so we can create space for our divine love to flow freely and openly. So whether it's giving yourself permission to feel exactly as you are, to be exactly as you are, or listen to your heart without the interference of fear and doubt. The heart always knows where the truth lies within you. The heart guides you to the present moment where love is always available if you choose so. So as we celebrate this Heart Day, I invite you to reflect on the unique ways that you feel and express love. So love is our universal language, yet we each have our own love language. Right? So what resonates with you today as a love language? Is it quality time, nurturing touch, words of affirmation, acts of service, or receiving a gift? So these small intentional acts of love can bring our heart into greater flow and alignment and just enhance our sense of well-being and belonging. So important for us in these days. So let's touch our heart. Let's open up the flow. Let's come into a beautiful seat with an erect spine. Open up the rib cage. Give room for the heart and lung. And just bring our awareness to the area of the heart. We can put our hands there. It helps to direct the energies into the area of our chest in the center here. And then we open up our breath so that we breathe in and out from the area of the heart. And we just ride this breath, maybe perhaps a little deeper and a little slower than usual. And once we have a genuine feeling of really being and residing in the area of the heart, we activate a heart feeling of care, appreciation, and gratitude for yourself or someone or something that you love, that you care for. And you activate this feeling, this heart feeling, bring it into the heart. It could be an image, it could be a color, it could be a song or a sound, whatever helps you with that sense memory to activate that flow, that heart feeling. And keep on breathing, just landing yourself more and more in the heart, activating these feelings of appreciation, care for someone or something, gratitude for someone or something. And then just let the thought or image or the thing that helped you activate that feeling, let it go. And just simmer in that pure feeling, in the goodness of you, just simmer in it. And just simmer and let it pour and pour through and out of your heart. into every nook and cranny of your being. And just let that flow. Flow, and let that energy just flow. You can just radiate that into your field, to someone, a circumstance, a situation, just purely to yourself. And this is how we activate and amplify our heart's greatest trait, these heart feelings, for the benefit of ourselves and for the benefit of all beings. Have a beautiful, beautiful Valentine's. Touch from your heart, listen from your heart, see from your heart, walk from your heart. Today, find ways to pour so much love on yourself. So much love here. I'm with Debbie. See you next time.